Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I got the chance to rent out the Fujifilm X100V for a couple of days, and I thought this would be a great time to try out the newest Fujifilm simulation, Fujichrome Provia 100F. So for those who are not familiar with the Fujichrome Provia 100F, it is a color slide film that features accurate color reproduction, ultra fine grain, and strong micro contrast. The guys at Fuji X Weekly developed a film simulation recipe emulating this film stock. I had to wait some time for it to be released to the general public to access the settings, but I finally got access to it and couldn't wait to use it. photos were okay. I think if it was sunny out, the photos would have been more vibrant and less dull. But I'm very impressed with the video quality. I think that was my favorite part of the video. The link to the film simulation recipe is in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.